Does your trash can stink even after you've emptied it? Here's a quick trick to keep it smelling fresh all the time. Today, I'll show you how to deodorize your trash can in just a few seconds using simple household items. No fancy sprays or chemicals needed. Definition: a trash can deodorizer is a simple method to neutralize odors by absorbing moisture and bacteria that cause bad smells. Why importance? Odors from trash cans don't just make your kitchen unpleasant, they can spread bacteria and attract pests. Keeping your trash can fresh helps maintain a cleaner and healthier home. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Take a small cup of baking soda. Step 2. Sprinkle it directly at the bottom of your trash can or inside a coffee filter. Step 3. If using a filter, tie it up and place it under the bag. Step 4. Replace every couple of weeks for the best results. Tools explained. You'll need baking soda, a coffee filter or paper towel optional, and your trash can. Workflow: sprinkle, place, replace. Quick tips: add a few drops of essential oil to the baking soda for a fresh scent. For extra protection, line the bottom with a dryer sheet before adding the bag. Wash the trash can with warm soapy water once a month for long-term freshness. Cost comparison. This hack costs just pennies per use with baking soda, compared to commercial deodorizers or odor-blocking bags that can cost several dollars each. And that's it, a quick and easy trick to keep your trash can odor-free. Try it out today and notice the difference. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs a fresh kitchen, and subscribe for more simple home hacks.